Hey everyone, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the Babe Box for July, I think it is. And you know what? I have to just say I'm a little bit sorry. I noticed my nails haven't been the best. No one said anything, but I just want to say I just haven't had time to do my nails. Also, I'm off for the summer because I'm a teacher, so I'm getting to do a lot of things around the house and I'm getting to do a lot of planning. So I just don't want to wear any fake nails because it gets in the way. So, yeah, if you guys cared, the more you know. Anyways, so today we're going to be looking at the July Babe Box. Oh my gosh, I just want to open this like planner bag of goodies, but we are going to start with the papers, of course. All right, let's start with the paper. So the first paper we get a planner book, and it is a sort of a brownish pink, so like a blush, but it's more on the deeper tone of pink. Deeper tone of brown, and it says Planner Babe, and there is a mini, and I love that. Or it could be like a disc planner, I mean a ring planner, but totally looks like a disc planner. And there are these beautiful teal, and it's not a true black, it's sort of like a navy, blue black, and some other colors, beautiful bows. And on the back we have these really cute blush, again the deeper side of brown, with these sort of lines that look like sewing lines, so that's really cute. So of course Shan gives us two of those, and sorry, just gotta move this so it doesn't get ruined. Then we get another paper, which is polka dots. Who doesn't love a black and white polka dot? But on this side we get those mod liners, but yeah, they are. So she used the name, and they are the blush tones of like the greens and the blues, very pastel, sorry is really the word. And then the hearts are really cute. So this is really nice. I like this. I like this a lot. I think it will go really well with my Sailor Moon planner. Then we got second one, right? So we got two. Oh no, we are not done. I'm gonna save the back for last. So then we get this beautiful, like, paintbrush stripes, paintbrush, painting of colors. It's kind of funny because I used to paint and all this fun stuff, and I have all these canvases and things like that, and I'm lost for words, but beautiful, again, pastels, and there's that blue, black, navy, very pretty. But on the back, you guys, get ready, just like get ready with me. We get these gorgeous happy planner discs. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? I love it so much. I saw these in the previews and I was like, no, I just can't. She is spoiling us and I love it and I can't wait. But what even hit me more, see, and this is why I'm officially, you guys, I'm officially a non-Planner Society subscriber anymore, because look at Shan. She is gracing us with hollow acetate, which is exactly what the Planner Society was doing, just giving us really beautiful papers and acetates. And I'm loving that I'm getting it with the Babe Box. Nothing wrong with Planner Society. I just can't do so many subscriptions all at once. So we got some hollow bows, and on the back, they're hollow again. So how beautiful is this? I'm going to use every inch of this paper, so definitely not wasting it. Then we also get hollow discs, you guys. We get the hollow disc, and it's hollow on the other side, which I love, love, love. So I am so thrilled and thankful. I love this so much. Now let's move on. Okay, let's open the planner bag. So obviously we got a planner pouch. I'm so stoked to use this. I love it. But here we go. Here's the card. It says Planner Babe. Here's the mini, and on the back it says July Babe Box. So you can pause the video if you'd like, and you can see all the fun, cute stuff that we get in this month's subscription box. So I'm going to leave that right there. we get another journaling card, of course. And look at this planner, babe. She is so hella cute with her little tats and her mini and her stickers. This is my gem. And on the back, we get the same girl, but in a different shade. I love it. I love both sides. I can't wait to punch it. And then it's just going to be so cute, flipping back and forth. Sorry, you guys. I don't know why I'm sniffling. I apologize. All right, next we got a pen pouch, you guys. I wanted one of these. So the Planner Society gave us one, but the Babe Box also has one. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So it's polka dots. It's that stitching of the pink. Oh, I hope you can see it. There we go. And it's a really nice size. And then there's the Honeybee Shop's logo. If you really want to know the dimensions, I can let you know. It is, as I try and struggle to find a real ruler. I don't even know where my rulers are. Sometimes they just like, oh, here we go. Okay, here we go. So it's pretty much like 9 centimeters is the width. And the height is about, it's about like 15.5 centimeters at the length. And it's a really nice, I love the quality. So amazing. So happy for that. We also get a vinyl, a decal or a decal, and it's that mod liner, and it's in a beautiful pink, really cute hot pink. Also, in the goodie pouch, we get something that I have been eyeing. So all these planner girls are getting these fountain pens. I think there's ink in it. Yeah, so cute. It says the Honeybee Shop. Really like it. And it's black ink. Oh, there we go. Is it focusing? There we go. And oh my gosh, I used to have one of these as a kid. And I was like, I don't see the big deal. Let me see if it works. I'm not sure if it's working. Okay. I'm like scared. I hope. Because when I was a kid, I remember I'd get ink everywhere. Okay. Alright. So we have to put in an ink vial, which does come with the Honeybee Shop, which is here, but I'm not going to do it on camera just in case it goes over everything, because like I said, when I was a kid, I remember my bought me, because stationery, it's like admiration started very young as a child. So yeah, you get the vial, and what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to like put the vial in the pen, and then it should work. But yeah, I don't want to. Do I want to do it? No, I'm not going to do it on camera. Anyways, this is so cool. Thank you so much, Shan from the Honeybee Shop. I love the pen. Can't wait to test it out. Add me on Instagram and you can see me attempt to use it. So we got that, which is really nice. Then we got 2 washies. Oh my goodness. So the first washi is, we get the Happy Planner disc. Oh man, so many goodies. There we go. We get the Happy Planner disc, and we get a bow. I love that. So that's Simply Gilded bow, and it's hollow. Then we get a second washi, and this is more of a Planner Babe washi, where we have those pens in the pouch, and then the washi and the scissors. Really love this. I can't wait to open up, and we get a pretty decent amount of washi in both rolls. So really awesome. Thank you. Holy moly. See, the Babe Box is just getting better and better every time. Okay, so let's talk about this pouch. It's really nice. It's it has this sort of seafoam green blue at the top, so it's gorgeous. The hollow glitter reminds me of the hexagon glitter that I use for my planner inserts, which I have actually right here. So amazing. Sorry about that, guys. My camera died, but that's okay. So yeah, like I was just saying, it's that beautiful like hexagon glitter that you can grab at Michael's. This is my Recollections one. I just love it. It's like party in a bottle. So the planner pouch we get at the Honeybee shop is exactly the same. I'm so happy. I think my mini, I'm pretty sure my mini will fit, like not my chunky mini, but like a regular mini, or I can just grab like a micro and then I can have it in my purse and then it won't get damaged. So I'm looking forward to using that. So awesome. Okay, I'm gonna leave that here so it's kind of in the picture. There we go. Okay, next what we got is we got die cuts, and die cuts are my favorite thing most of all, and I can see there's some hollow foiling in there. So of course I'm going to keep the packaging, and then I can use it as a journaling card. So that's really useful. We don't throw anything away. So let's start. We get a we get a disc, Happy Planner disc. Then we get another one. Oh my gosh. I didn't look through any of them, so this is a surprise. And that's why I'm keeping them this way. Oh, that's just so cute. She's holding all the pens. Planner Girl. Then, what's this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've been wanting one of these washi things, but I want the bigger one. It's actually not meant for washi, but it's a huge one, and I was talking to my husband about it. So that's in the works. Then we get a Planner Girl. Oh my gosh, those hips don't lie. So adorable. Another disc. It's like a pastel purple. Oh, is this a cart? Oh my gosh, Dream Plan Repeat. Yes. Love that. Another girl with her washi tray. Two Planner Girls, some more Planner Girls. Then we grab another Planner Girl. It is like a baby blue disc. Another Planner Girl. Awesome. Is it in frame? We're losing frame. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love these hands. Perfect. Ooh, I see a pen. And there it is, mod liner. And there's the hollow. We get a planner bow. Then, oh, we get a mini planner, and it says Planner Babe. I really like that she made the color more of a pink instead of that brown. Like, it's just so much lighter. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And two more. One's pink and one's purple. And last but not least, we get the pen pouch. So cute. And the hollow's legit. Like, it's not flaking off. It's not sticky. It's perfect. Wowzers. We're not even done. We're not even done. Okay. Last but not least, my favorite, the stickers. I have lots of favorites. What am I talking about? I love everything. So this comes in a book. It says 352 stickers inside. And there's the Honeybee Shop logo and what's inside. You can pause the video if you want to see all of what's inside. And then let's get to it. So at the back, I'm going to start at the back because it's so much better to flip. We get some check boxes. Oh my gosh. I had to I'm looking in my camera and then I'm like, wait a second. This is a huge planner card. This is too freaking adorable. I love this. And then we get some, oh, they're Hobonichi date covers, but I will probably cut them because I don't use a Hobonichi, and I will use them for my mini. Then we get some check boxes. Sorry guys, I'm struggling. There's a glare. There we go. We got some check boxes, and they're all discs. Beautiful. And then here, oh my goodness, look at these discs for your to-do list. I love that. And then it says, sorry I'm busy, let me check my planner. This one says, oh, let me zoom in. It says it's an add to cart kind of day. Huh. Page flags. And then we got some beautiful functional icons. Then we got some beautiful planner girls. Then the next page are these beautiful icons. And they're hollow. They are hollow, you guys. Then we get some date cover-ups or cover-ups. So like to do, I love that little things. I wish there was more like of these, like all of these, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I wish there was more date cover-ups. And then we get half boxes, check boxes, quarter boxes. And last but not least, we get these beautiful Babe icons, just ready to fit like your Erin Condren or your classic or your mini or any planner. I love them. Wowzers. So that's it. That's it, my friends. That is all. Not even all, I should say. That's what we get. We get a lot of fun stuff, and I am so excited. Like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to plan. I think I'm definitely going to use this for my September, for my Ban.Do, and look out for another plan with me. I've gotten so many amazing reactions about my last plan with me using the Babe Box, which was their like summer vibe. So this was a lot of fun, and I'm loving how the Babe Box is changing every month. Every month it's getting bigger and better, and I'm loving it. So before you go, please make sure you subscribe and you like and you leave a comment and click that little bell if you never want to miss another video. Thanks everyone for coming by, and have a happy day. Bye.